A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You know what they mean when they say you have to born again? Well, follow me. Today, me I go read from the good news about Jesus as come to John chapter 3 from verse 1 to verse 21. You did have one Pharisee man named Nicodemus, one of the Jew leader them. He go look for Jesus one night and said to him, say, teacher, we know say God send you for come teach. Because nobody can work the miracle them where you work if I know God cause them for do it. So Jesus said to him, say, for true, may I tell you, say, nobody can take part in a God kingdom if they no born again. So Nicodemus asked him, say, then how somebody we owl for born again? Somebody can go back in a mother belly and born one another time. Jesus answer him and say, for true, may I tell you, say, nobody can take part in a God kingdom if they no born over that time you're in a water and in a the spirit. When baby born, a people have people. But God, He make people born in the spirit. So not frightened when you hear me tell you, say, you have to born one next time. Breeze blow which part you want to go. You only hear the sound it make, but you can't see where it come from. And you can't see which part it they go. No, I see him so it go with everybody where the spirit make born. Oh, that, Nicodemus asks. But Jesus said to him, say, are you a top teacher in Israel? And you not understand them sitting here when me I talk about? For true, me I tell you. We talk about the sitting them where we know about, and we talk about the sitting them where we see for ourselves. But only people not take what we say. If me talk to you about the sitting them will take place upon the earth and you no believe, oh, you not go believe me if me talk to you about wagwan in a heaven. Nobody never got heaven yet. Only the one will come down from out there. And that are the man where God pick. Just like how Moses, they lift up the snake in the desert. I said we so the man where God pick must get lift up. So all of them with trust in him can live forever. Because you see, God loved the world so much that he gave him one dege boy pitney. So anybody with trust in him not go dead, but I go live forever. Because you see, God ain't sending boy pitney in the world for right half the people in the world. No, God sent him to save them. Anybody with trust in a God boy pitney, no get right off. But the people them when not trust in him, them done right off already. Because they not trust in a God one day get a boy pitney. Them not trust in him name. No. At this year, make people get right off. The one where the light come in the world. But the people that were living in the world love darkness instead of light. Them love the dark, because a beer wickedness then do. Because everybody will do wrong, hate light, and then want to walk out in the light. Because they're afraid to the light when show up the bad sitting them where they might do. But the somebody where do what God say are the right thing to do. Walk out in the light. so that everybody can see. Say, I really God make him a do what him a do. I God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.